Okay, so it has been a while since I have set this up, so I need to check the audio first. Okay, by the looks of it, I need to do something about the audio gate. That's not really working as it should, I don't think. Sounds a little bit off. Okay, so I am at around 30, minus 30, minus 35 decibels here. Okay. That noise gate is actually worse. Hold on. Filters. Okay, minus 20 is the open threshold. Minus 50 is the closed threshold. Okay. I wonder how that will sound. I think it's a little better, but one last adjustment. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I have made the final adjustments, hopefully. Once the feedback comes through, I'll be able to hear it. All right, what's the plan? The plan is, I don't know. So I'm going to try to think of the next steps in this stream right here. So thinking right now. So I need to look at things that I need to do to make myself stand out more. That's one thing. The second thing, I need to look at the technologies that are being used the most, and what comes up a lot. And from what I see right now, from like the posts and gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, things like that, I see a lot of WordPress things. And I also see quite a few things about a WordPress developer too. So take a look at WordPress here. Oh, I haven't used this thing in... Oh, okay. No, don't restore them. That's fine. I don't care right now. I just need to be able to browse. So WordPress tutorial. Let's take a look at that. So WordPress is essentially a what is it? If I recall correctly, it's a content management system. So you manage your content with WordPress. You can create sites, website, without having the knowledge of programming, web development per se. You click a button, you edit some fields. The catch is, if you want something more customized, you need to have web development knowledge. I'm just gonna change my headphones here because I kept listening to myself. Okay. So the thing is, some of those things are, a lot of them are paid for, like certain themes and colors, layout are paid. So you have only a certain selection. So to develop a website using WordPress, I think will be one of those things I need to do. And for that, I need to set up everything properly. So I need to create an account, sign up, and then start dabbling with it. So after that, the next in line is PHP. And what better way than to see its documentation? Alright, so PHP is a widely used open source general purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development and can be embedded into HTML. Okay. Nice, but what does that mean? Let's take a look. So we have here a standard boilerplate of HTML. So, and this is PHP code. I am a PHP script. Okay. Instead of lots of commands to output HTML, as seen in C language or Perl language, PHP pages contain HTML with embedded code that does something. The PHP code is enclosed in special start and end processing instructions. Okay, I see. Okay, so we need to declare when we write PHP here. So that's how we initiate it, and that's how we end the script that we write. Yeah, that's curious. I'm curious about it because there is JavaScript that is client side and server side. So what is the advantage of PHP? Okay, I see. Right. Yes. So PHP is executed on the server. Okay. So that is key. Okay. Which is then sent to the client. The client would receive the results of running that script, but would not know what the underlying code was. You can even configure your web server to process all your HTML files with PHP. And then there's really no way that users can tell what you have up your sleeve. That sounds dangerous. Okay. So, those two things. WordPress. I see that quite often. that quite often popping up. And I also see PHP quite a bit. Of course, there are others like TypeScript and React, which I have already built my projects around. Yeah, so now I need to come up with a plan of how to use my time most efficiently, you know, learn those two things and make a project out of those. You see, in web dev, or many things I suppose, even if you learn something and put it on your resume, it's no guarantee that you actually know that or have used that. But if you do a project, you can then show that to the potential employer / company, or a customer / client if you're grabbing some contract work from places like Fiverr or Upwork, which is what I plan to do. I'm planning to use WordPress to design and build maybe 2 websites, showcase that, and then a PHP project, but I don't know what it would be about yet. So that's that. And that's the plan, I think. Yeah. As for, giving up and all that, I don't want to do that. I have come pretty far. I have done many things, and I just don't want to throw it all away. I am pretty close. Yeah. So that's what the stream is about. My next plan. Whether it is a good plan or not, I don't know. But it's something. As for getting some work, it's tricky because I keep getting rejected from everything. So that doesn't help. And I'm not sure why. I rewrote my CV, my resume, 5 times. I had it go through certain professionals. Maybe it's just that time of year or something, or just general, where things are pretty tough everywhere right now. Could be that too. Which is all the more reason that I really have to be clever with how I go about things. Um, yeah, then that's the plan. I don't know if anybody's even watching this. Let's see. No, I don't think so. So that's the plan. I have one more thing to talk about, but I'll make a separate video for that. For now, what I would do is, well, first, what do I want to learn first? I think WordPress, for sure, because if I can learn WordPress just enough to have a good idea about this tool, then I may be able to land a small gig or something, hopefully. And after that, I can take a look at PHP. So my actual goal is to learn WordPress, to websites, like clever websites, something that is like visually it looks very good. Try to land some gigs just for a little bit of side income, maybe, hopefully, and then PHP, and then keep on applying to places. That would be the best case scenario, that I land something. I start working, but on the side I still am doing this. That would be the best case scenario. Okay. Let me put something. To the stream chat. Let's see this. So this is the playlist I'm playing right now. Music. It's really cool. Okay. In case you were wondering. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, because of the time right now, it's midnight, so fast midnight actually. I'll get some rest because tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'm going to learn WordPress, and I think I'm gonna make a video out of it too. Yeah, I think that would be quite interesting. Make a video about it to show the learning process. Okay, with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.